talking about stretching clients this week. You know, we've been working with your body, in your body, feeling it, learning it. But now the question is, how do we take this to our clients in our sessions? Why are we moving them to stretch when we don't move them to strengthen? We don't want to do it for them. We want to teach them how to do it by working with them. I like these two examples of what I call body intelligence, or BQ, because you can see that they are both equally as strong as they are flexible, and they are able to get themselves there without any help, right? So that is kind of the whole point. Hey everyone, welcome to the homework assignment for week 1. I am here with Patty. She is the other half of Lastics. In review of week 1 is to talk about form and alignment, most importantly, and how it affects the body when certain muscles are tight. It makes no sense to bend your elbows and pull your knee in, try to get your leg closer to your body when all this happens here in the bend.